Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to your Chime account. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your device. If you have investment you want to withdraw, you will need to see the stock, EFTs or other asset first. Once solid sold, they will be converted into US dollars, which you can then transfer to your Chime account. After selling your asset, tap the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap on the three lines menu at the top right. From the menu, select transfer. On the transfer page, select transfer money. Enter the amount do you want to send from Robinhood to Chime, then the to section and add account. On the transfer page, tap transfer money. Robinhood will open page to link your bank and tap continue. Then choose Chimes from the list of banks. Enter your Chime bank account details to complete the link. Once connected, select your Chime account in the top field, enter the transfer amount and transfer. Your money will be sent from Robinhood to your Chime bank account, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.